If you've ever been curious about how to set up a schema for product variants and SKUs in your e-commerce store, then this video is for you. We'll cover products, variants, and SKUs, as well as how to display product variants in search results, and how to index products for Elastic Enterprise Search using groupings and in-stock filters. Let's start by defining a few terms. A variant is a single product with different attributes. Take this classic button-down shirt that comes in 3 colors, green, red, and blue. Each color is a variant of the product. A SKU is a stock keeping unit. It's assigned to products to track inventory. SKUs can be used to power search features like in-stock filters. SKUs can also be assigned to products, variants, or subvariants. If you have no variations of a product, the product and SKU are the same in your data model. Here's an example for a sun visor. If you sell a hat that comes in 3 colors, you likely have 3 variants for the hat, and each one may have a SKU. Here's an example of that in your data model. Now, if you sell a classic button-down shirt in 3 colors, as well as 3 sizes, you may have a SKU for each size within each variant. Here's how that appears in your data model. Let's explore how to optimize product, variant, and SKU data for search. First, decide at what level should search results be displayed. Will each product be a result, each variant, each SKU? When a customer searches for button-down shirt and the classic button-down shirt appears in the results, you can show it 3 different ways. The first option is to show the classic button-down shirt as a single search result. The second option is to show each color variant as a single search result. Here, you'd show 3 search results, 1 for each color. The third option is to show each SKU as a single result, 1 for each size and color. If you only sell a few types of shirts on your website, each with a few variants, you may choose to show each variant as a search result. But as your data grows, search results can become overwhelming. Imagine if you sold 30 shirts that match this query, each with 30 color variations. If you showed each variant as a search result, you'd end up with 900 results rather than 9. In this case, you might opt to show each product as a result. To index product data using Elastic Enterprise Search, take objects nested in your data model and make them top-level fields. Using the classic button-down shirt example, your code will go from looking like this to this when you remove the nested objects from your data model. Take each variant and make it a unique object which will be indexed into your search engine. Include top-level product information as well as individual variant attributes like ID and name. Make sure to capture each attribute you want to create filters for. If you want customers to search by size and color, pull them into top-level values. Once you've indexed your data in Elastic Enterprise Search, consider how to render search results based on how your customers will search. To show results at the product level, use the Group option in the Search API in Elastic Enterprise Search. This will let you group variants as a single result. To use the Group option, choose a common field in your schema that will tie the related product variants together. In this case, we're using the product ID field. Now there's a single result with an additional group option that lets you keep the classic button-down shirts together as a single result. This way, you could show color swatches in line for each result. And you can use the size and color fields to create filters using the facet feature in Elasticsearch UI library. To show an in-stock filter so that customers only see results that are currently in stock, you can create a new field called In-Stock Sizes, allowing customers to filter on in-stock and size at the same time. In this video, we covered the concept of variants and SKUs in e-commerce and how to model them and create an exceptional search experience using Elastic Enterprise Search. Ready to build your own e-commerce search engine? Download a free cloud trial of Elastic Enterprise Search to get started.